Hey everybody, it's Steve. It's been interesting like last week, and there's been some stuff going on the Hive, so I just kind of took a few days off the computer. I know I have a few giveaways on my accounts that I need to do, but I'm going to wait till tomorrow because when I went the to peak and things are still not working that great. But I'm still going to come here and try to see if I can get all my rewards for my accounts. My rewards aren't that good this time because I wasn't paying attention near the end of the season, and I think I forgot to level people up and move them on to the next league. Um, so yeah, that's kind of funny. But we'll go ahead and claim them. I also got some free packs over the last couple days. As you do know, I do play the game. I try to play actively in the tournaments with my main account, but I have invested a decent amount. I have a lot of cards, so I have some alt accounts that run bots. And before they used to farm too many rewards, I like the power change. I do have enough to get them into the diamond leagues, but they no longer make it up to champion like they were. And I always thought it was kind of silly that my accounts that were only level 6 and even had some level 5 teams in there were making it up to champion 1. I mean, I know the bots grind it out, but you would expect eventually those accounts to hit a wall. And eventually when we have a lot of players, we will hit those walls, but we don't hit those walls right now. I'm hoping that with the big announcement coming of the new people coming in, we're going to see enough people in the game to where the power level won't be the only reason you can't go up to the next league, but it will also be because you really should have to have like a decent leveled cards to get to the highest leagues and earn the most rewards. So we'll check out what I got on this account. It didn't get that many chests, so maybe I'll get lucky and pull something good. There's a couple rares. Those aren't never bad to get. There's another one. I haven't seen any big dark energy yet. Oh, got a pack. I like the packs because you can't do anything with your potions but open packs anymore. I'm not investing a lot in the game right now on Untamed, just because the cards on the market are so cheap that I'm buying individual cards instead of packs. I'll probably do one more big buy before the next airdrop if I remember, but I've been saving up my dark energy crystals for land and stuff. So got a couple nice dark energy crystals here. I do have a few packs, so we'll go and open those. Didn't get any great cards, just a couple rares. Nothing, no epics, nothing to write home about. But this is one of the accounts that only had a few chests. Let's go ahead and go to open. He actually has been getting a lot of packs though, so we got 4 packs to open. Plenty of potions on this alt account, so let's go ahead and open. I know some people don't open the packs, but we get the free potions. If I get a free pack, I'm going to go ahead and roll the dice, see if I can't pull a gold, legendary, gold, epic, something. And with deck prices going up, I mean, any of those cards are going to be pretty cool. We'll do this one a little differently. There's not that many. Oh, that's not bad. 2 summoners. Another summoner. Let's see another one of him. Gold summoners are always cool, right? And if I see another one, it would turn gold. Oh, see? Saw another one of those. I mean, a gold's always good because you can burn them. Let's see. I had 4 packs, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4 rares. Oh, so at least one of them was a double rare. Ooh, 2 were double rares. That's not terrible. I'm not expecting anything else good. Oh, I got an epic. We'll flip that last. Oh, I got a gold rare. That's nice. Oh, this has to be the most disappointing epic in the game to most people. But a 2-cost magic user that can eventually do 2 damage is very useful. It's just you see that purple and you want a game changer, and he doesn't always seem like a game changer, right? All right, I don't want this video to be too long, so let's get to the next account. I've got 1 pack now. Let's go ahead and claim the chest. This one for the season, I think, was Diamond 1 or 2? Diamond, or 3 or 2, I think, actually. So let's go ahead and do the reveal. Hoping for at least an epic in this set, but oh, that's a rare I need, though. There's another rare. That's a good rare. Come on. No epics, no legendaries, and no packs in this one. Yeah, only rares. See, this is the thing, man. It used to be party time when we got these rewards, right? Because we were all getting 150 chests on every account you had. No, you gotta work for it a little bit. Gotta work for it a little bit. All right, we do have one pack. Plenty of potions over here. It is nice that if I buy the packs, I can send them to my alt accounts and have them open them and then move the cards around. So that's one added nice bonus of being able to have multiple accounts. Well, that's not a bad card. And when you get a summoner and another rare, that's always a solid pack. I feel like when land is out, these summoner cards are going to go way up in value because I feel like a lot of lands are going to need at least one summoner to do one of their actions. So I think the summoner cards are going to get a big push in value as well as some of the other cards. We'll go ahead and minimize this and we'll go to my main account. This is normally an account I get to champion and I do get a decent amount of packs. So see, I'm a little bit lower than potion because I've been using quest potions and stuff, but I forgot to watch him and I only made it to champion 2 instead of champion 1. So that's a bit of a bummer. So we'll go ahead and check this out. It's my my biggest claim, so it'll take a little bit longer. I don't know for sure if I'll get anything good. It's been a while since I've got anything good. I did get an epic, so that's nice to get early. I do want to level that card up because I think it is going to be a card that is very useful in certain matches. What did I get? What did I get? Oh, I need that one. That was sweet. I got another pack. Another pack. Ah, cool. Finishing the night strong. Got a legendary that I need. That card is really good in those high mana matches because he has the life leech, and if you set him up in the right position, by the time he gets up to the front, he could have a ton of life. That's pretty crazy. I got another epic there. That's a good epic to get because that one's going out of print sooner than the other ones. Did I get any big dark energy crystals? Oh, I did right there, 1,300. Wow. Wow. I guess they finally decided to hook me up with some good stuff at the end of the season. I had not been getting lucky, but I'll take 2 packs, a legendary card, a 1,300 DEC, plus all the other commons and rares, and a couple epic cards. Without a doubt, that was a really good pull. See this right here with that epic up top. All right, not bad, not bad. Let's see if we can top it off with 3. Yeah, I can do 3. I have 15. With one more legendary card, huh? What do you think? Can I pull 1 in 3 packs? It would actually be 1 in 8 packs, right? Because I did 4 and 1 on the other 2 accounts. So we'll see what happens here. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a great one. I have him maxed out, so he'll either go to an alt account or maybe I'll see if people are paying a decent amount. I would have loved to get one of the legendary summoners. Oh, that's a great epic to get. This is one of the few ones that is actually, you gotta spend a little bit of DEC if you want that one. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow. This is why I open those packs, right? It's always fun to see those legendaries show up. Oh, are you kidding me? Wow. The only thing that could have made that a little more ridiculous is if there were a gold legendary there, because I opened 3 packs and I got 3 legendary cards, an epic and a rare. So one of those packs must have been ridiculous and had like double legendary or something. All right, everybody. This is just a fun little video I made collecting my Splinterlands rewards. For anybody following the YouTube, I'll be back to looking at some Tron projects. That Shark Tron, the original token's doing really well, up to 4 TRX for when it used to just be 2, so it's doubled in value. So if anybody got into that from my Shark Tron video, congrats. But the dice site is having an issue, so Shark Dice do not use. But if you got a stake going on the other site, make sure you're unclaiming those tokens. With the Shark Dice issue going on, you might want to sell them and get out of that. And let's hope that this big announcement really pushes this game to the next level. I saw Gods Unchained did a promo on Crypto Chico, and he called them the most popular card game on the blockchain. I took some, like for the first time, I was like, dude, you're wrong. Because we have more players and transactions than that other game. because and that's just the truth. Gods Unchained has had some weird promos and had some cards that have sold for crazy values, but it doesn't have the same amount of people playing. So we need to maybe, it was only $4,500 to have Crypto Chico show his crowd that game and talk about it like it was the best one. So I don't know. Do we have some big accounts that wanna think about combining to get him to do this one? That'd be kind of interesting. We'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one. And I'm super stoked on today's rewards. That was pretty cool. Have a good day. Bye.